What happened?
It snowed.
It snowed. Look at that. Wow, 70 degrees yesterday, and now it's like 20 and snowy. But I can't really complain about bringing the cows hay and stuff and the animals food because they've been out in it pretty much all night. I mean, unless they're in a barn. I'm just grabbing gloves up here. If I'm feeling reticent to get moving because it's cold, that just means I need to get moving, because once I start working down here, it'll be awesome, the temperature. These 2 bales will go to the cows. But I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 more and give probably a whole one to the goats, and I'll throw a bale to the pigs as well. Which they'll appreciate. Well, I don't know if they'll appreciate it. They'll benefit from it. Over your heads, mostly. And let's see if they thought to get up and stir their water through the night. This weather caught me completely off guard. After basically t-shirt weather, I didn't even check the weather today. This is the first time I've missed a cold snap like this coming this winter. Every other time I've given the pigs fresh bedding before the cold hits so that they can make their bed perfectly dry and not have that moist bedding. Passing by the barn here, I heard something that concerns me. I heard one of our goats, is Sweetie, coughing. If your goat coughs, it doesn't mean they have pneumonia and you need to call the vet. I'm listening though. A lot of times what will happen is when you throw them hay and they're just chowing down on hay, they can eat it carelessly. This can happen with people, by the way, also. And they get something down the wrong pipe, just like a stem of hay. I think that's what it was, because he stopped. A lot of times the cow or the goats, they'll cough once or twice as they're just chowing in. Okay, next thing, I have to get 1,000 pounds of feed out of my van that I bought yesterday and load it in up here, so I'm not just hauling that around whenever I'm running to town. And that should be, well, it should be 1,050 pounds, 21 bags, 21 trips. I won't do 2 at a time. I can pick up 100 pounds, but I'm not running across the yard with it. All right, I pulled a little closer. There's no reason to carry it extra. That's a bag of New Country Organics Layer. We got 3 products here: the Layer, pig feed, and a few bags of dairy feed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of pig food. That one should be their last meal. Not the whole bag, but we'll be extra generous. That should finish out our hogs, and then we'll be ready to butcher. We're actually taking a class next month on hog butchering. Really excited about that. And it's all New Country Organic feed, which we love, but for the majority of the time we've had animals, we didn't feed organic food. We would feed non-GMO food, or honestly whatever we could buy. And so don't think that we think this is the only way to do it. We're happy we're able to do organic right now. It's a huge blessing, but you just do what you can do and what you believe is right to the best you can, right? In the other day's video, we dug out a huge pile of dirt. I'll show it to you. There it is, just this massive pile of dirt. Well, look at this pile. Way bigger. So right now I'm going to take you back to where we dug out the bigger pile of dirt. That was yesterday. We put in a solid day working in the house, finishing a huge portion of this job.
There's more publicly accessible toilets than public toilets.
Gabe showed up and he brought helpers. Some different shovels, more pointed shovels. What do they call that?
I'm not sure the name of it. I bought it to actually pop up flooring.
Oh. I think it's is it a roofing? No, it's not a roofing scraper. Maybe it is. This is gonna find a new home here. just a rock breaking bar, a prying bar. All right, so we're gonna start just one bucket at a time, loading it and going out this window. We are moving through this floor. It does slow, but we've done at least half of what was, more than half what was left. That pile out there, Gabe, that we made just in the past couple hours is bigger than the one we made all day the other day. What do you call that lunch, Brianna?
Stir fry egg roll in a bowl.
I love it.
Yeah, egg roll in a bowl.
It's one of my favorite things to eat, I think.
It's really good.
One of my favorite. I basically didn't have any idea when we started this week that we would get this far. This is basically 2 days we've done this room. They weren't long days either. I don't know who can do a long day of this kind of work. You have to do it. You have to do this like every day to be able to keep up.
I would not want to do this day after day.
Well, fortunately, there's very little more of it. There's a little digging I'm gonna do under here, but it doesn't compare to this. Okay, back to present time. All that dirt came out of this room over here, but now I'm turning my attention to this next room here. Last room we have to dig out. Before I get into digging in that floor, I'm gonna see if I can see what's wrong with our little friend who helped us so much, cutting off all the nails in these floors and then died suddenly. Small electric tools like this quit working. It's usually about the electricity coming in, unless you just totally burn the motor out. I don't think I fixed this. I think it's the switch has gone bad on it, because all the connections look intact and all the wiring is okay. Nope. Somehow this day is already winding down. It's gonna be dusty. It is beautiful and it is cold out here. So it's another cold night prep. And that basically means giving the pigs extra bedding. I might even give them more than I gave them this morning. Making sure the cows have plenty of hay. Carrying water to the pigs. Making sure the chickens get an evening drink, because just all the water stays frozen. Oh, I have to carry water to the cow who I'm locking in the barn tonight, separating from her calves so we can milk tomorrow morning. And cows need a lot of water. I probably need to carry at least 5 gallons to her, just for her, and then extra for the goats, maybe. She's literally down there drinking it as fast as I can pour it in there. Oh, she's done now. All right, I ended up getting Abracadabra Alice an extra bale of hay. I mean, just gave her a bale in the barn. She can eat it, she can sleep in it, I don't care. I call her Abracadabra Alice because it's in the middle of winter. She's making milk for us out of hay, which is inedible for me and you, assuming that you're human. I think it's amazing. Tell me you're not giving all of the good food away.
I made you guys some too.
You made dinner for a couple other people?
3 families tonight, yeah.
That's amazing, good job.
Yeah, it's easier to do all at once and deliver it all at once.
When you have a house, it's easy to make meals for people, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It was way hard. I think did I buy meals or no, I made meals for people. It was just harder in the camper.
Yeah. A cranberry cake.
Chicken pot pie, salad, and cranberry cake.
Is that what we get to eat too?
Yes.
Yay! Sounds great. Chicken pot pie. How is it, guys?
Good. Good.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Mama did such a wonderful thing. She made enough for 3 families and for us. That's a pretty amazing feat. Cooking for 3 families and for us in a day and keeping the house sane and the kids happy and doing school. I don't think I could do that, but I can dig holes. And this cranberry cake is amazing. Hey, do you like cranberry cake?
Yes.
Does everyone like it in the family?
I don't like it.
It's amazing. You don't like it?
I love it.
You love it.
I don't like it. I love it.
You love it? Thank you, Mom.
I love it.